Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to upload the songs on Smule. Now if you want to upload the songs on Smule but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app on a device, and make sure that you are also logged into your Smule account. Now to upload your own songs, karaoke, that is instrument or tracks, then you just need to simply upload it on the mp3 form or m4a format, and ensure that the song is instrumental, karaoke, that is according to your choice. And from here you just need to visit the website. So you just need to open any web browser on a device, and there you just need to search the Smule songbook uploader. So from there you just need to click on the option of uploads of the Smule, and you just need to log in with the same Smule account that you have used in your app. So you just need to enter the same email or the password, and from the Smule songbook page you just need to click on the option of upload a song. So you'll see the option of upload a song. You just need to fill the song details like song title. You just need to give your song a name, the artist if that is necessary, and you just need to type or paste the song lyrics manually, or you can also use an existing source to sync the lyrics. And after doing all of it, you just need to upload your audio file, that is mp3 or m4a, and you just need to submit the song for processing. And this may also take from few minutes to few hours. So that's it. By doing all of it, you'll be able to upload your songs on this Smule app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.